Guys, pakinggan niyo 'to. Frustrated daw si Ping, sabi ni Senator Tito. Kasi daw kung maghi-hearing daw siya sa Senate Blue Ribbon, madami daw ayaw. Kung hindi naman siya maghi-hearing, madami daw ano, nagagalit. Sino bang magagalit kung, maghi-hearing ka? Sino bang ayaw na mag-hearing ka? Naku, iba talaga 'to guys, meron talagang something fishy dito. Ito panoorin natin.
Senator Lacson tungkol po dun sa balak niyang resignation. Tinanggap na ho ba yung resignation niya as chairman po ng Blue Ribbon Committee? Salamat po.
Hindi, nagkausap kami kagabi. Wala pa kami tinatanggap. Wala pa naman siyang pinapadalang sulat or I think he wants to do that personally. Nagkausap kami kagabi. And ayun, nagkausap kami kagabi. You know, Senator Lacson is frustrated.
You know?
He's not stressed. Sanay sa stress yun eh. Yeah, pero ang nakikita niya, frustrated because nag-hearing siya, may maangal. Bakit nag-hearing? Pag hindi siya nag-hearing,
Sino bang umaangal 'pag may naghi-hearing? Siguro yung umaangal lang is yung mga may problema sa flood control, 'di ba? Si Martin Romualdez siguro yung sinasabi ni Tito Sen na umaangal.
may umaangal, ba't hindi nag-hearing? Ano ba talaga? Diba? So, and then I
Ulitin
think
natin,
the way
ulitin
he
natin, ulitin natin.
stress yun eh. Yeah, pero ang nakikita niya, frustrated because nag-hearing siya, may umaangal. Bakit nag-hearing? Pag hindi siya nag-hearing, may umaangal. Ba't hindi nag-hearing? Ano ba talaga? Diba? So, and then I think the way he ran the Blue Ribbon Committee hearings were very good. So, siguro, the man is frustrated.
Very good daw, the way he runs the hearing kasi hindi pa natutuntun hanggang ngayon si Martin Romualdez.
I will support whatever decision he makes, and I will accept whatever decision he makes, and he has my 100% support, whatever it is.
SP, yung pong decision niya po ba ay final na o pwede pa po siyang mapahinuhod ng majority at ninyo na magstay put as chairman po ng Blue Ribbon Committee?
I think that question is best asked of him. I cannot answer for him.
Pero sir, anong sense ng majority?
We can only hope for the best.
Opo, pero sir, ano po ang sentiment sir ng majority bloc? Sabi niyo po you're in touch with them. Ano po ang sinabi nila? Gusto ho ba nilang manatili si Senator Lacson o gusto nilang mapalitan?
Karamihan, hindi naman komentaryo iba pa, pero yung karamihan ay sinasabing nila na baka pwede pa makausap si Senator Lacson.
Para po?
To stay.
Kasama ba yung sa napag-usapan niya? Sinabi niyo po ba sa kanya to reconsider this decision?
Hindi, because I was checking on our WhatsApp group, after Senator Lacson and I talked already. It was late in the evening, last night.
Sir, meron po kasi mga nagko-comment na kaya raw po aalis si Senator Ping is para hindi na ma-unstabilize yung pong, ma-destabilize yung pong Senate leadership na meron daw pong namumungko, parang siya na lang daw yung sacrifice dahil maraming hindi masaya daw dun sa pagpapatakbo niya ng Blue Ribbon.
Yan ang totoo. Tawa-tawa ka lang si Tito Sen, tawa siya kasi nakuha talaga ng reporter eh, o, 'di ba? 'Yun ang totoo.
Everybody's entitled to his own opinion, so whatever they say, it's up to them. It's, if that's their opinion. But as far as I'm
'Di ba? So sacrifice lang talaga si Ping Lacson para hindi na maku si Tito Sen kasi baka siya yung pinakamaikling termino na Senate President sa Senado. 'Di ba nakakahiya 'yun? Kaya isakripisyo na lang si Ping.
concerned, and my opinion is the Senate is stable, both
Char,
majority and minority.
stable daw.
I am very sure that the Senate is stable. And we will make sure, under my leadership, we will make sure that everything will be transparent. Everything will be accountable.
SP, so what do you think about rumors na merong attempt to unseat you and install a new leadership?
So, yun na nga guys. Ano masasabi nyo dito? Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. At mag-comment na rin kung ano masasabi nyo. Have a great day. God bless. Bye.